Have you ever looked at a Salesforce record and wished it had a bit more visual clarity? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create an image field in Salesforce, perfect for adding icons or status visuals to your records. It's simple, powerful, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to set it up confidently on any object. To get started, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce screen. From the dropdown, choose Setup. This takes you into the main configuration hub where all customizations happen. Once you're in Setup, look at the left sidebar and use the Quick Find box. Start typing Object Manager, and when it appears, click it. This is where every custom and standard object lives: accounts, opportunities, or any object you've created. Now pick the object where you want the image field to live. This could be a standard object or a custom one, whatever makes sense for your use case. After selecting the object, go to Fields and Relationships on the left panel. This section controls every field associated with that object. Click the New button to create a field. Salesforce will ask you to choose the data type. Select Formula, then hit Next. Now it's time to name your field. Something descriptive works best, like status icon or image display. After naming it, set the return type to text. That part is essential because the image function outputs as text. Click Next, and now you'll be in the formula editor. Here's where the magic happens. You'll use Salesforce's image function to reference and render the image you want to show. This is perfect for things like green checks, warning icons, or any visual indicator tied to your data. If you're using conditional logic, you can even have different images show based on field values. Before moving on, click Check Syntax. This quickly validates your formula and makes sure there are no typos or errors that could break the field. Once it passes, click Next. Now decide which user profiles should be able to see this new field, select the appropriate access, and continue. The final step is choosing which page layouts should include the image field. Add it to the layouts where it adds value. This ensures users see the image in context on their record pages. When you're done, click Save. And just like that, you've created an image field in Salesforce. It's a small customization that can make your data instantly more visual, readable, and intuitive. If this was helpful, stick around for more Salesforce how-tos and optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.